Okay, this question they say show that this sequence with the sum of n terms is an arithmetic sequence. So find the first term and the common difference after that. So you have to show up first. You have to prove that the pattern having this formula is in the arithmetic sequence. So how you going to show your arithmetic sequence? The arithmetic sequence has the properties of common difference. So you must show your sequence having common difference. How to show your sequence having common difference means that how you get your common difference, it will be Tn minus the term before it, like T2 minus T1. So the Tn minus the term before it. So you have to try out, is it you getting common difference? Is it you're getting a value when we get the Tn minus 1? So we find out our Tn first. So Tn, how can we find the Tn using the sum terms? We will use Sn minus Sn minus 1. Alright, so substitute Sn. 3n squared plus 5n minus Sn minus 1. So means that your n here now is substituted by n minus 1. So it will be 3n minus 1 squared plus 5n minus 1. Okay, so we expand it. You see, is it a common difference? Can access here. You see our n terms here first. Expand. Here, n squared times 3, 3n squared. Then 2n plus 3 plus 5n minus 5. Then we notice that when we want to expand this bracket, 3n squared minus 3n squared finish. Alright, then 5n minus 5n, we have a negative 6n here. And then 3 negative become positive. Then 3 minus 5 negative 2, up here negative become positive 2. So you get your n terms already. Alright, so we achieve this n term already. Then we find the term before it. We don't have any value because this comes in this n term, unknown. We can just give a formula pattern on it. So we want to obtain the Tn before it. So if I want to find Tn minus 1, means our n here can be substituted by n minus 1. Six n minus 1 plus 2. We simplify the term before it. We will get this is 6n minus 4. So we try to minus, taking the Tn, the n term, minus the term before it. We see is it getting a common difference. Alright, so we don't write the d first because we want to show it having a d. So the next step we are going to perform, taking the term minus the term before it. See whether you can get a constant. So that constant will be a common difference. So Tn, there will be 6n plus 2 minus Tn minus 1, 6n minus 4. So we notice that our 6n can be minus off. And then 2 negative become positive. We get a 6 is a constant. It's a number. Alright, it's not an unknown. So when we get a 6 is a constant here, means that this sequence is a arithmetic sequence. So this is This is an arithmetic sequence with common difference b equals to 6. After that, we managed to show. Okay, so after that, find out the first term and the common difference. So common difference, we get it already. So in order to find our first term, the a will be equals to t1. So t1, substitute 1 at here. So it will be 6 times 1 plus 2. So our first term here will be equals to 8. Common difference is equals to 6.